so excited to share this one with you today. It's a super easy make and it definitely solves the issue that a front seam creates on a pair of shorts and leggings. So I have all my pieces here. I have the front piece that was cut out on fold. I have the two back pieces and the two waistband pieces. Obviously, if you're making the full length leggings, these will be much longer, but the steps are the exact same. So we are going to take the waistband pieces, place them right sides together. It's a bit hard to see with just black, but you know, once you're using the fabric that you have in front of you, it is a lot easier to see which is the front. So I'm going to pin these two sides here. And I'm also going to pin the crotch seam here. So when you cut out these shorts, just place a clip or a pin on the top. That way you're not getting them mixed up, because sometimes it can be a little difficult to see. So we're going to pin this crotch seam here. Great, so now we're going to sew this crotch seam and sew these two side seams. Those two seams are done. I use my overlocker as standard, but if you just have a sewing machine, you want to use a zigzag stitch for these. So I'm going to put the waistband piece aside for a moment. I'm going to open up the back section so that we have the right side facing up. I'm going to take our front section, place it the right side facing down. And what we're going to do is line up these side seams and pin them. Just like that. We're going to take the seam at the crotch on the back piece, connect it to the point section on the front piece. We're going to pin that. Now we're going to pin the legs together. Now we're going to sew all three of these seams, so the sides and the crotch. And again, if you're doing the long version, it's the same steps, but you're just going to be pinning all the way down to the edge. And when you're sewing in here, all you want to do is go slowly and make sure there aren't any folds or anything gets caught in your sewing machine. So just do this crotch section slowly. Those seams are all done. Now all that's left is to put on the waistband. So we need to turn the shorts the right way around. Then we need to take the waistband. I'll move these out of the way just so you can see properly. We want to fold it in half with the right sides facing out, and I'm just going to clip the edges together. For me, I find it easier to work with that way. So we'll take our shorts or our full length leggings, whichever one you're doing. We're going to place it on the inside of the waistband, so all the raw edges are facing up. We're going to pin the side seam of the waistband to the side seam of the pants. Same with the other side. Amazing. Now you're going to pin evenly around the rest of the waistband. Just like that, and then we're going to sew all the way around. That's all done. You have one step left after this, which is to hem the bottom. So all you want to do is fold in the edge. Whether it's bike short length or ankle length, it is the exact same step. Fold it in 1.5 centimeters and just do a zigzag stitch all the way around, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I finished the hemming. I am just going to trim the excess to make it a bit more neat. And we are all done.